So let's look at some tips you can use to improve your whiteboard videos. Now, before we go any further, I can hear you screaming, "He's breaking his own rules! Look, he's rambling right at this very moment." To you, I say, I may not know how to lay eggs, but I know when one is rotten. Whiteboard videos are a great way to present certain ideas. However, whiteboard videos may or may not be the best choice for all concepts. And be careful not to fall into the trap of letting fancy text, animations, and graphics get in the way of delivering your message. Now that you've decided to make a whiteboard video, it must cater towards its intended audience. For example, a video trying to sell a product or a service needs to grab the attention of the viewer within the first few seconds. And once we have that attention, we need to keep it short and sweet with only the most important of points, so as not to lose that hard-won attention. An instructional video, on the other hand, is completely different. In most cases, the audience is already interested and thirsty for what the information contained within the video. The trick here is to deliver what the audience needs, but be aware, in all cases, there are no hard and fast rules. Before even contemplating opening your whiteboard animation program of choice, it is prudent to plan. Research your topic or idea. Of course, if you're an authority on what you intend to present, then use your best judgment as to whether to research or not. It is important to meticulously script your video. For those of you who are able to present a succinct speech off the cuff, you may be able to skip this. For the rest of us mere mortals, a tight script is essential as it helps us stay on track. Scripting is not only about what you'll say, but also the ideas you may have for images. Record the voiceover based on the script. Your script should include ideas for the animated, graphic, and text elements, so remember to add pauses. You can always add pauses in later, but that can become additional work. One thing which I feel should be avoided is having the voiceover precisely mimic the text on the screen. The visual elements should complement any voiceover. There are those who would argue that many people watch videos with the audio muted. If this is a concern, then consider adding closed captions to your video. In some cases, a voiceover isn't appropriate, nor is it required. Consider adding some music to fill the silence. But don't just opt for music because you are too lazy to have a voiceover. Once you've done all this, and only then should you even be considering firing up your whiteboard animation application of choice. Load in your voiceover and start creating. If you've put in the groundwork in the preparation stage, then it should be smooth sailing from here, as all you need to do is sync up the elements to the voiceover track.